What is the doctrine of equivalence in software patents? Imagine designing a new software feature and wondering if someone else's similar code might be infringing on your patent even if it looks different. This is where the doctrine of equivalence comes into play. It's a rule in patent law that helps protect inventions beyond just the exact words written in the patent claims. In simple terms, it means that if a competitor's software does the same thing in a similar way to your patented process, it could still be considered an infringement. Even if the code or structure isn't identical, as long as it performs the same function in the same way to achieve the same result, it might be infringing. This prevents others from making tiny changes to avoid legal trouble. For example, if your patent covers a way to encrypt data using a specific method, and someone creates a different method that still encrypts data in a similar way to protect privacy, the doctrine might say they are infringing. The key test used is called the function-where-result test. It asks whether the accused software performs the same function in the same way to get the same outcome. To decide if there is infringement, courts compare each part of the patent claim to the accused software. If every element or its equivalent is present, then infringement can be found. This is especially important in software and artificial intelligence because there are many ways to achieve the same goal with different code. The doctrine helps patent owners enforce their rights when competitors try to copy their ideas with small tweaks. But it also needs to be balanced so that patents are not overly broad. Courts carefully analyze how, for the doctrine extends to avoid giving patent holders more protection than they originally claimed. For companies working on artificial intelligence or new software, understanding this doctrine is vital. It means they must design their products carefully to avoid infringing on existing patents, whether through literal copying or equivalent functions. Patent holders use this rule to stop others from making minor changes that still copy their core ideas. In essence, the doctrine of equivalence in software patents extends protection to software that does the same thing in a similar way, even if it isn't an exact match. It plays a big role in how intellectual property rights are enforced in the fast-changing world of technology and artificial intelligence. This way, innovation stays protected, and competition is encouraged to develop new and better solutions.